This Afghan lamb shank pallow is out of this world. Welcome to the Ramadan food series, episode 1. The lamb shanks are fall off the bone tender, and for the rice, I'm using royal Masala basmati rice. You want to start off by thoroughly washing your rice and letting them soak. In the meantime, to the pressure cooker, saute some onions, add your shanks, garlic, and salt. Once they've browned, add some water and let that pressure cook. Then begin frying your onions. The longer you fry them, the deeper in color your rice will become. Add some water and bouillon to it and let that cook down. A quick table setup until the shanks are done, then placing them into the pot with the onions along with some of its liquid. While that finishes cooking through, we're on to our rice. You want to let it boil until it's soft but still has a bite. Strain the liquid and place it back into the same pot, and at the same time your shanks should be ready. Separate the meat from the liquid. I like to run the liquid through a strainer, pour that right over the rice, top it with some Pallow masala, or as we call it, Masala Pallow. Give everything a really gentle mix, move the rice over a little to the side, place the shanks down, some poke holes before closing the lid and letting it bake for 30 minutes, and it should look just like that. Another gentle mix and you are ready to start plating this up. The rice grains are soft and fluffy, the shanks are tender and delicious, and all that's left to do from here is serve with your favorite sides and truly enjoy.